To give everyone a bit of an idea, we were notified we had to exit our old facility on the 30th of August. When you look back, you got less than 4 months to be able to set up a workshop like this, double the size. When we went out looking for equipment supply, we really wanted a one-stop shop and a one-stop solution. Troy, my service manager, mentioned Levanta, and to be honest with you, we didn't look back. It was really easy, great customer service. The installation process was exceptional. So the equipment we purchased off Levanta, as you can see, the column list, we ended up with 16 of those. We've also purchased parts washers, wheel trolley kits, a fair amount of air jacks as well to be able to do other types of servicing. And we got the brake tester as well. We managed to get all the equipment we needed in one place, basically a turnkey solution. We were ready to get going. So it was one less stress that I had to worry about, that's for sure. They're very advanced as well, very easy to use. The training when the team for Levanta came out here was very quick and easy, a lot safer as an operation and for a business. Also, another key advantage with working with Levanta is, as you can see, we got these trail lifters designed. It was a really important aspect for us to be able to hook it into the kingpin and be able to lift it up safely, and our service technicians to walk all the way around to do work without having any concerns. It was advantageous for our team here to be able to understand how to use the column lifts, where the safety cut-off switches are, and it's been a fantastic addition to our business so far. It really surprised me, the equipment, how quick it came. I thought we would have challenges in that space, but a 3-month lead time was not a challenge for Levanta, so I do highly recommend any workshop facility or transport operator looking around for equipment to have a call with Levanta.